Hello everybody, watch me as I assemble some Paw Patrol Pringle cans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this video going. Hello you guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, A-List Party Favors. We are back today with another tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I assembled these beautiful Paw Patrol Pringle cans. And I'm going to add the lids on top as well. These already have been pre-cut. I have cut them off camera, but I am going to show you how they look. They come on, this is a 8.5 by 14 legal size label. And I print them 2 up on the page. It's already pre-sized to the size of the cans. If you want to learn how to pre-size them, or if you want to know how I get these beautiful labels, you'll have to join my one-on-one class. And this here, what I'm going to show you before I assemble them also is part 2 of the Pringle cans. And this is the lids. These are the labels that I put on top. And I only disclose this information for the people who take my class. So this is how the label looks once I'm done. And I just put it on top of the can like so. Make sure it's centered. Once the lid is on, I take the original cap and I put it right back on. And then boom, you have your Pringle can all customized and super duper cute. I'm also going to be assembling some M&Ms. These are the labels that's going on the M&Ms. What else we have? We have some Capri Suns I'm going to put on for this client, and these are the labels that go with the Capri Suns. The M&Ms, when I print them out, I print multiple on a sheet. So this is how it looks beforehand. 6 up on a sheet, and then I print them out and I cut it, and it's already sized to fit these M&Ms right here. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to move everything out of the way. Oh, we also do have some chip bags. If you don't want to buy the big ones at Sam's, you can always opt at your local grocery store. You can go to Walmart, or you can go to Publix and grab these Cheetos. They come 12 in the bag already, so if you're doing them by the dozen, you're fine. That's all you need to purchase. And these here are the chip bags. This is on photo paper. Okay, see how pretty that looks? And all I'm going to do is I'm going to simply fold them over like so. So you'll be folded very nicely. And I'm just going to place the chips inside with my glue gun, which is already hot. I light it up with the design of the bag. I put the chips inside, then I put glue on one side, measure it, make sure it's down, not too much glue, and then I just fold it over. Okay, if you guys watch my previous videos, you know that I seal one end first, then I place it to the side and allow it to dry. Once it dries, then I'll go back and I'll close the top and the bottom. Okay? So I'm going to show you guys how I cut the Pringles first, and then I only have one sheet to cut. So I'll show you guys how I cut it on camera, and then we'll go ahead and assemble the Pringle cans. So here's my cutter. I'm going to take the sheet, and I'm just going to line up the edges. So I'm putting it on my cutter. I'm lining up the edge of the Pringles can, and then I slice it. Okay? Like I said, these are sized perfectly for the Pringles, so you don't have to make any other adjustments after you cut the Pringle cans. Okay? This is how it looks. I'm just going to cut the other side. Just the end. Like that. Do a slicer, another slice. And then I just slice it one more time. And then boom. And then the only thing you have to do now is move this out the way. And then we're going to grab us a can. Move these out the way. See the label? We're just going to peel the adhesive protected sheet. Make sure the sticky part. Hold your can in your hand like so and just line it up. Okay? Just line it up like this. Boom. And you just want to smooth it out because you don't want it to be bumpy. And I just use my fingertips. I use my fingertips to just keep rolling, making sure that everything is smooth. And I just go like that. And you see where it ends? It's perfect. It's not overlapping or anything. So I just set it like so. And I just grab another one and do the same thing. I'm just going to peel it off like so. And I'm just going to align it like this. Making sure it's straight. Pulling it across one end. Making sure you press it down. And I'm just going to pull it across the opposite end. Okay? Boom. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of the Pringle cans that we have here. You can buy your Pringles cans from practically any store. I like to get them from Walmart. Or you can buy them from BJ's if you want this size. But different stores have different sizes. But these 3 ounce and 4 ounces are the perfect size that I like to use. So I'm just pulling it over. And then boom. There you have it. Super cute. These are some super cute Pringle cans. And it's Paw Patrol. I did customize the design. So you won't be able to find this if you go on Google. I did customize the colors on there and put the colors that I wanted and made my own digital paper. So you're not able to Google and find this because I made it myself. So we're just gonna keep wrapping them like so. And I'm just gonna bring it around like that. Okay? Just grabbing the rest and we're just gonna continue putting the labels on the Pringles. These are very easy to do. So if you do purchase my prints online, my prints for Pringles are $20. You can get them digital, or you can get the prints are $25, I believe, and the digital is $20. And you can assemble them yourselves. So what I do is I send you the labels like this, like these, on a sheet. So it'll be 2 up on the page. And then I send you the other labels that have the lid on there if you want to purchase just the labels. Now, if you're purchasing a party package and you want them assembled, you don't have to worry about doing all of this because it comes already assembled for you. But this is for my people that are like event planners and they don't want to make it themselves. So they pay someone like me to make the design for them. And they just want the digitals or the prints. This video will be helpful for you to know how to put them on. Okay? So let's see what else we have. We have a couple more. We got like 4 more left. And then I'm going to show you how I put the lids on top. Now, most people don't put lids on there. It's optional. You don't have to. But I think it looks better putting a lid on top. That way, the person doesn't see pop, play, eat on the top. And you can customize your lid to whatever way you want to customize it. It's all up to you. This is why I like these labels. See, I'm taking it off, pulling back on, and it's not ripping. So you can reposition it and don't have to worry about your label tearing up or messing up or having any bumps or the ink coming off. It's not coming off. Okay? So you have that there. And back it up. It's like super close. Super cute. So once you do that, once you cut everything out, you're pretty much almost done. All you have to do is just put it onto the items, and that's it. I'm just making sure that everything is smooth that I'm placing down. So when the client grabs it, they're like, okay, it looks realistic. It doesn't look like some nothing looks messy. I don't like my work to look messy at all. I want everything to look smooth, finished, clean look all the time for every client. So I'm just going to peel this off like so. And we're almost done with the Pringles. I might have to break this video down. So this one might just be the Pringles and then do the other ones on another video, because the longer your video is on YouTube, the longer it takes to upload. And I want you guys to see how cute these Pringle cans are. So I might split it up. I don't know yet. Let's see. Okay. Bring this down a little bit. Like so. And I keep going until it's perfect to my eyes. So, boom. Got it. I lift it up just to make sure it's smooth all across. And then boom. Close that bad boy. Boom. And I think I have one more left. Make sure you clean up your area. Throw away the excess. You don't want all that garbage there at the end. So I clean as I go. Okay. I'm putting this last label on. Like so. And then boom. Always make sure you make it, well, if you cut it correctly, you won't even see the original can there. So just make sure your cuts are precise so that you don't make any mistakes and that it looks superb. Okay, what else we have? We got the Capri Sun labels here that we're going to put on the Capri Suns. Okay, those just slid down. I have to go get them. What else we have here? Where did I put my labels, my cans? Where did my cans go? Where did my cans go? Okay, let's see here. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so now that we're done putting the labels all around the actual Pringle cans, we're going to slide these back and I'm going to show you how I put the lids on. So I'm just simply taking the lids. I turn it to make sure that I see the front. So that's where I'm going to position my lid. So that if the client is looking at it like this and they turn the can over, they see the top of the lid. Like so. And you don't press it down because you don't want it to mess up. You just make sure it's on there like so. Okay? And if you take my one-on-one class, I teach you all of my tricks and tips on how to perfect the craft. You don't want it to look like everybody else's on. You want yours to stand out and look like the bomb diggity. So, if you want your party favors to look like A-list party favors, then you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our website, www.alistpartyfavors.com, and you need to take some of our classes so that you too can have some bomb party favors for your yourself, your children, your events. Those are the lids. So I have 6 more. So I'm going to put the rest of them on there now. And that's how you make Pringle cans. Simple, cute, and very easy to make. I love making Pringle cans. They're so easy to make. And they pop out. You can put these on display, on the table, on the treat table. They look so nice. I think that's why all of my clients love ordering the Pringle cans, because they look so good on the treat tables. So they love ordering these. And you know me, I'm going to do the extra step by making sure that the lids are customized as well. So everything pops. Everything is in sync. Everything goes together. Okay? So now we're done. We're done with our lids. So all we're going to do now is we're going to grab all of our lids. Like so. You see, when you're doing Pringles cans, if you're using a full sheet label, you do not need to use a glue gun. You see? I just made the Pringle cans. put it on with the sticker paper, and that's it. You're done. There was no glue used whatsoever. Now, it's your preference if you want to use sticker paper. If you don't want to use sticker paper and you want to use like a photo paper or cardstock or something, then yes, you're going to have to use double-sided tape, or you're going to have to use a glue gun to make sure that it's down packed on your Pringles cans. I don't like to do that. I like to use my full sheet adhesive paper. It's an easy, clean finish. It looks good, and these can last. These can be a souvenir, so you don't have to necessarily open them. If somebody wants to keep it as a souvenir, they can. They absolutely look adorable. Look how clean that looks. See how that finish is? It's super clean. And then look at that lid. Super cute. Okay? So these are how the Pringles look. All customized, nutrition facts on there. Of course, my company information is on there as well. And it's all customized for the theme. Okay? So thanks for watching. This was how to assemble Pringle cans the A-list party favorites way. And these are the lids for the Pringles cans. Okay? All of my items come in a dozen. I always make my party favorites in a dozen, so you have to get 12. Okay, whether you're ordering prints or a symbol, it comes in a quantity of 12. So thanks for watching. I'm going to start another video to show you guys how I assemble the Capri Suns, the M&Ms, and the Cheetos chip bag. So see you guys soon. Okay, this video is to show you guys how I send out my items. Of course, the box will have a customized tissue paper with my logo on there. I always have a thank you card thanking the client for purchasing items through us. I package all my items and I seal them in bags. So these are the chip bags, and they're all sealed inside just in case it does rain. Nothing's gonna happen to the items. So these are the chip bags here. Then I have the Pringle cans. They're all inside of the protective sleeve as well. We have the Pringles, another batch. We have the M&M boxes, all secured. And then down here we have the Capri Suns, which are all secured as well. Some paper on the bottom. And then I make sure it's all secured. I seal the bags. And then I just place them back inside. So we have our Pringles. And then we're putting back our chip bags on top.